Today we are going all the way to Zambia. Shout out Zambia. So if you are seeing us for the first time, we are Legal Literacy at Criso on YouTube. And if you are only on Facebook, please follow us. We are the Workers, the Law School Friends. So this is what happened. That's what happened in Zambia. We are dealing with Section 178, subsection G of the Penal Code of Zambia before it was declared inconsistent, and what led to it being declared inconsistent with the Constitution of Zambia. So what happened is, one day, this man that you are seeing, he was an HIV and AIDS activist, Mr. Paul Kasongomane, and he was invited on a program that was going to be live on the Zambian television, and the program was The Assignment. So every Zambian was glued on the television. They were so much interested, they wanted to hear what Mr. Kasongomane was going to say on television about gay rights. So Mr. Kasongomane was very composed, and he said whatever he was saying about the gay rights. But as soon as the program started and as soon as he went live on television, one police officer ran straight to the television station and he waited for Mr. Kasongomane to arrest him, because he said the reason why he was arresting him, he was in violation of Section 178G of the Zambian Constitution, which provided for that one should not be idle and one should not go public with indecent information and communication, and one should not entice other people. So the reasons that were provided in the charge sheet were that Mr. Kasongomane was going to be arrested because he was trying to entice other people to be gays in Zambia. And this was something unknown in the community of Zambia. And so it was so shocking. So Mr. Kasongomane was arrested and he was taken to court. And when he was in court, so it transpired that Mr. Kasongomane pleaded not guilty to the charges, and he said it was within his rights in terms of the Zambian Constitution, Article 28, and he had done nothing wrong. He was just expressing his views. So the judge, the magistrate, agreed with Mr. Kasongomane and said, yes, indeed, Mr. Kasongomane should be acquitted. He is not guilty, and the matter went all the way to the Constitutional Court. The reason why this matter went to Constitutional Court is Mr. Kasongomane was saying before the trial commenced, before the trial would start, he was saying he had not been provided, number one, with the copies of the docket, and disclosure had not been made. He had not seen his footage also that was recorded while he was at the TV station. And number two, he was saying that Section 178G, subsection G, was inconsistent with Article 28 of the Constitution. It was in conflict with Article 28 of the Constitution, which was the right to freedom of speech. So it was then decided by the court that indeed he had done nothing wrong and he had the right to freedom of speech. So it was seen that Mr. Kasongomane had done nothing wrong, and we don't know whether Mr. Kasongomane sued the Minister of Police or what happened to him after he was acquitted. So if you are a Zambian and you know the story and you are following the story, tell me what you think. Was it right for Mr. Kasongomane to be arrested at the TV station? What was the position about gay rights in Zambia, and what is the current position now? Tell me if you're from Zambia. Shout out Zambia. If you are not happy with what happened to Mr. Kasongomane's case or the decision or the judgment, tell me in the comment section. Let's engage in the comment section. Shout out Zambia.